X5M 2021. It's installed with the insurance approved Meta Trak Deadlock and tracking system. So without this tag you can't disarm the system to drive the vehicle. So if a thief tries to steal it, as you can see, if I try and start the car, nothing happens. The car will not turn on. It's fully immobilized. So what you gotta do, you need to disarm the system with the tag. And now you can start the vehicle. So if you want the Meta S5 Deadlock system installed on yours, give us a shout. See the link down below. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel.